Somatic wisdom teaches us the right side of the body reflects masculine energy. It governs direction, action, and protection. When wounded, this side speaks. If you're experiencing chronic tension on the right shoulder, hip, leg, or jaw, not just tension, pain, this one is for you. Tap in. This is our self-care Sunday moment exclusively from yours truly, Orgasmic Delicious Living Academy. Welcome back. Thank you for being here. Thank you for stopping by. Let's tap in. See if you're experiencing pain and tension on the right side, or if you're constantly overperforming, you feel burnt out and you just keep going and going and going, or you feel the urge to control or be in control all the time, or you're known as a controlling person. No judgment here. But these may not just be random symptoms you're feeling when it comes to the pain on your right side. They may be signs of a blocked or wounded inner masculine. Okay? This can often be linked to, we know, as father wounds, suppressed anger towards male figures, maybe angry at the patriarchy, or you just have an outdated model of what it means to be strong. So how do we move past this? How do we heal? How do we reframe our thought forms? First, you can use somatic practices like full body reflexology and focus on the right foot, hand to stimulate masculine energy lines. You could release tight fascia through massage or breath work on the right side. See, a very professional therapist, reflexology or massage therapist will have a consultation session with you, and you can express your needs, and they will always ask you, what do you want them to focus on? Let them know. See, your body is not resisting anything, it's just remembering. Anything that we want to forget, trust me, your body will always remember. Second, you can do masculine archetype journaling. Ask yourself, what did I learn about being a man or being strong? Do I feel safe asserting my needs? These reflections begin the reparenting process. So when you're doing these types of journaling, you want to be radically honest with yourself, and this is how you really get what you really want, which is a transformation and the alchemizing or the transmutation of any of these blockages will happen with you being radically honest with yourself, okay? Third, you want to do Tai Chi, Qigong, slow martial arts movements that retrain your body to express strength with fluidity rather than force. Fourth, you could do breath and sound therapy. You can try the Surya Bandhana, right nostril breathing to activate solar energy. Sign up for a drumming class. If you have drums, drumming and masculine vocal tones help reset nervous system. Any nervous system rewiring, and soothes it as well. And energy work, because everything is energy work. You can place carnelian, sunstone, red jasper on the right hip, on your wrist, or anywhere you're feeling pain, and allow the stones to absorb the negative energy. Reiki is also good. Last, you can write a letter to your inner masculine, releasing blame and reclaiming guidance. Okay? So let's close with an affirmation. I honor the masculine within me, restructured, structured, present, and powerful. Let me say that again. I honor the masculine within me, structured, present, and powerful. It is safe for me to act and still remain soft. I reclaim healthy authority over my life. See, this is not just about healing trauma, it's about restoring balance so your inner masculine protects without punishing. Okay? So you want to be balanced in both your masculine and feminine energy, because we all have both energies within us, okay? So you don't want to be too much on either side. So thank you for being here. This is your self-care Sunday moment. All My details are in the description box below or in the link in my bio, wherever you're seeing this. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. You never know how your comment can help uplift somebody else. And yeah, that's it. Let your right side speak and always listen, and let your healing begin or continue wherever you are in your journey. I wish you the utmost best. And always stay loving, peaceful, and orgasmically delicious. So I'll see you next Sunday. One love.